This is chaos. This is crazy chaos. Boy vs. Pipple Mix. He does have a hairbrush in his mouth. That's why it's a good verse. He's steering. And the kid is down. And we're on. Still. He says sorry to the kid. The dog's name is Chaos. Chaos is turning 3 soon. Are we on? Get it to bark. He growls. And we are on still. And we are still on. We are on. Okay, I'm sorry I keep saying we are on. It's just because I keep thinking we're going to end it. We're not. We're just trying to get this action. And we are... Oh, okay. Okay, I'll zoom in on the action.